We'll guide you through how to make the VHS effect in CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
This effects gives your footage that classic retro camcorder look, similar to old VHS tape from the 90s. We will go step by step and add several effects that together recreate the full VHS style. First, open CapCut on your device. After opening, just click on Create Project. Now, import the clip that you want to edit. You can do this by just simply clicking on Import and your file explorer will open. Just select the video that you want to edit, which in my case is going to be this particular video. After adding the video, just drag it to your timeline. If your clip is longer than you need, you can trim it by dragging the edges of the clip or just by using the split tool from here like so. Make sure the clip you want to apply the VHS effect to is ready in the timeline, and after it is ready, just go to the Effects tab in CapCut. From here, we will search for several effects and apply them one by one. Each effect should be dragged into your clip and stretched so it covers the entire duration of the footage. This is important because we want the VHS effect to appear throughout the whole video. The first effect that we are going to search is DV tape. Just type DV tape in the search bar and hit enter. And as you can see, this is the effect that we want to add. So just drag it into your timeline and add it like so. And you can just adjust the timing of the effect by dragging it simply. After applying it, open the effect settings and set all the sliders to 0 like so. This effect mainly adds that classic VHS style glitch at the bottom of the screen that you are seeing right now, which is common artifact seen in the old tape recording. Even with sliders set to 0, it helps stimulate that distorted tape look. Now let's move on to our next effect. Just go to the search bar once again and type retro DV3 and hit enter. Now just drag and drop the retro DV3 into your timeline above the DV tape and adjust it. Once it's applied, open the settings and adjust the values. So the first setting is for speed. Keep the speed at 0 and keep the strength at 50. This effect adds a color distortion at the top of the frame, often showing subtle green and white lines. Next, we will add jitter effect. Just go to the search bar once again and search for jitter and hit enter. After searching, just drag and drop the jitter effect into your timeline and adjust it so it fits your whole clip. And after adding, now adjust the jitter strength so it sits somewhere between 7 and 13. These effects introduce a small vertical shape to the footage, making it look like the video signal is slightly unstable. Now let's add some blur effect so that helps soften the image. Just go to the search bar and search for oblique blur. Just type oblique and blur and hit enter. And use the effect like so. Then adjust the settings so the blur value is somewhere between 18 and 23. Now we are going to sharpen the image. Search for strong sharp in the search bar. Just type strong and type sharpen and hit enter. And drag the strong sharpen into your timeline and adjust it. Set the strength to around 50 like so and set other changes to 50 also. Now we need to balance the sharpness with a bit of blur. Just search for blur in your search bar, and as I have already favorited my blur, I'll just drag it and adjust it to my clip. Set the blur amount somewhere between 3 and 6. Next, we will add noise. In the search bar, just search for noise and add the noise and adjust it likewise and set the noise somewhere between 7 and 13. Finally, we can finish the VHS effects with a bit of color correction. Just go to the filter tab and search for VHS style filter. And here you will see different type of VHS. Just choose anyone to your liking. Likewise, and adjust it, and you can even play around with the intensity till we get your sweet spot. Once everything is applied, play back your footage and now you will see a VHS style effect